right, guys, now we all know about the legendary BBS wheels that we see on all these vintage Benzes. You see them on BMWs, you see them on a lot of vintage rides. Of course, BBS made the best wheels, the deep dish crazy wheels. You see them on the Koenig Specials and many other cars. But one thing you never ever see is a BBS fully kitted Benz, or any car for that matter. And this is what this is right here. This is a 190E fully BBS kitted baby Benz. It's an incredible build, something we've never seen here at the Patina Collective, and we're shocked by how much BBS did more than just wheels. So they have the BBS steering wheel, of course, right here. So we're gonna take a deeper dive. We're gonna take this for a ride right now, cruise around the city, give you guys a feel of this BBS baby Benz. All right, so this right here is the epitome of 80s dope boy styling. So if you had a Benz, if you had a BMW, if you want to spice it up and you didn't have that much money, you can just get some BBS wheels and set the car right off. It'll change the whole vibe. Pull up on the block, shut the block down with the BBS wheels. But only the biggest G's, the top G's, had the BBS wheels and the BBS fully kitted whip. This car came with the decals on the side, the big BBS decals, pronouncing itself to the world, letting the world know this is a BBS build. So we're gonna tap in right now. We're gonna take it on this journey through the mountains of Boca Raton and have you guys enjoy this BBS build. Every Mercedes enthusiast should experience a 190E baby Benz at least once in their life. And one way to spice it up and take your baby Benz to the next level is add some BBS wheels to it. And the first owner of this car right here went crazy and went BBS ballistic and added BBS wheels, BBS body kit, BBS trunk lip, and even a BBS steering wheel and BBS decals on the side, making it the official BBS baby Benz. So let's take a closer look right now and break down this BBS baby Benz, starting right here at the front with this super rare BBS front bumper that we've never seen before. It came with the full BBS markings on the side. You see this pronounced lip coming out right here, very aggressive. You got the fins right here. So BBS definitely went crazy when they built these kits, and they had to compete with Koenig Specials, ABC Exclusive, Styling Garage. So they had to get with the time. So this kind of reminds me of what Zender would do. So pretty cool right there. Coming along to the side, of course, we noticed the BBS mesh wheels, the legendary wheels that created all the hype for BBS in the 80s. We've seen these on a lot of builds in the collection, of course, Koenig Specials and many others. So whoever had these put the gold lug nuts, that perfect touch right there to just set it off and switch it up for everyone. Coming to the side right here, the decal goes right across. This is obviously a BBS decal. We have the BBS decal right here. Coming along the side right here, we get the BBS side skirts, which really completes the look. Having the front and rear bumper is great, but having the side skirts really wraps it up and makes it a complete BBS build. Very rare. Looking inside, we see the BBS steering wheel. Now, this is something we didn't even know they produced. We have many steering wheels in the collection, Gemballa, Karat, AMG, but we've never seen a BBS steering wheel. So this is very shocking to see. And it's in mint condition, beautiful cream interior, all fully stock, no recaro seats or anything like that, but whoever had it kept it in crisp condition. The leather is not cracked, it's not ripped anywhere, it's beautiful. So is the dash, and so is the wood. A lot of beautiful wood in this BBS. And of course, lots of wood in this interior, including a fully wood radio, which is very nice, a great touch for the interior, and it really sets it off in this BBS baby Benz. Coming to the back, once again, BBS Motorsport gives it that vibe of maybe a DTM or something like that. Very cool. And of course, we have this BBS trunk lip. So take a shot every time I say BBS, and we'll see if you can make it to the end of this video. But starting right here, you see this BBS trunk lip with this crazy BBS engraving right here, telling you that this is an authentic piece. And of course, it had to be on this baby Benz because it is the ultimate BBS baby Benz. BBS back bumper, side skirts. It's a full BBS extravaganza. So let's keep going. Around here, we see the same decal on the back. Once again, BBS Motorsport and BBS on the side. But let's take it back on the road right now and see how it looks under these beautiful palm trees in the kingdom of Boca Raton. Beautiful note on the exhaust on this car. They didn't stop at the wheels or the styling. They also have a little note on the exhaust to make it presence felt as whenever it pulls up. Bye-bye to the modern Benz as we pull off in this 80s crazy baby Benz. Of course, made by BBS.